Hey guys, so we're going to talk about graphing systems of inequalities. You guys have already solved systems of equations, so now we're just throwing inequalities into the mix. So let's look at an example. We're only going to be solving these by graphing. I'm going to put my face right there. So if we look at this first one, we have, I'll do it in red, we have y is less than 2x plus 2. My y-intercept is 2, so I'll do that. And then my slope is 2. So I'm going to go 2 up, 1 to the right, 2 up, 1 to the right, and then I'm going to connect the dots. Now because this is less than, not less than or equal to, I have to do a dotted line. And you know what? I'll continue it. So there's that one. Now let's do the next one. So here my b is -1, and my slope is -1/2. And if slope is -1/2, I'm going to go down 1, 2 to the right, down 1, to the right, down 1, to the right. Okay. And I will now connect the dots. And notice this one, I'm going to do a solid line because it's less than, greater than, or equal to. Could have done a better line, whatever. Now we also have to do the shading. Since this one is less than, everything under the red line is shaded. As for the blue one, it's greater than or equal to, so everything shaded above. Now, the solutions are where we have both colors. And if we look, the only place we have both colors is, oh no, I don't want that one. I want green, is right here. In this area, so everything in that area. So let's name some solutions. Well, I see that the point 3, 2 is a solution. I see that this point that's on the line, this line, 2, -2 is a solution. Maybe even, we can pick a point that's off the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is a solution. So let's put those down. There's 3. Now this is asking us to check if this point is a solution. Well, I'm just gonna use Desmos in this situation because it's a tool that I have. Why don't I? So let's see. I'm gonna put my inequalities in. Y is less than or equal to 5/2 x minus 2. This is y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2. Remove my face. Looks like everything here is where the solutions are. It's where the green and the blue overlap. So if I put the point in, let's see where it is. 0, 1 is right there. It's not in the solution set. So therefore we're going to say no. Not a solution. And now for the last one. This one we're going to write the graphs. So first I would start by writing the equations of the lines. This line right here, this one in red, this is y is equal to 2. This one right here looks like my y-intercept is 2, and then my slope is 3. I go 1, 2, 3 up, and then 1 to the right. So it's y equals 3x plus 2. So now we just need to figure out what is my symbol. This is dotted, and the green is above the line. So we're going to do y is greater than 2 because it's above the line. For this one, it's dotted, but the green is below the line. So we're going to say less than. And then I'm not doing less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, because both lines are dotted. So this is my system.